we've been out of Las Vegas with Manny Pacquiao fights for over a year. We had 2 fights that Manny was involved in Cowboy Stadium in Dallas. But I'm happy to say that we're back here in Las Vegas because Las Vegas needs an event like this. Sugar Shane Mosley and Manny Pacquiao.
And also, I can't go without thanking Manny Pacquiao for the fight, because if it wasn't for him, this fight wouldn't happen. And maybe a little bit of thanks to Mayweather too, because if he if he would have stepped in, maybe the fight would have not me. So I'm actually very happy, and the team, thank you. You know, this fight's gonna be a terrific fight. It's gonna be a great fight. You know, with me and Manny, we're both warriors. We both love the fight. We're both are winners, and we get 2 winners in there. You know it's gonna be a heck of a fight. So I'm excited and I'm ready. We have 2 or 3 more days now, May 7th, and you know, if you haven't bought well, the tickets are all sold out, but if you haven't bought the pay-per-view buys, then go ahead and get those, because it's going to be a blockbuster. This is a legendary fight. This is a history-making fight, and I'm just happy to be a part of this.
It's nice to be back here in Vegas again. I miss Vegas. It's been a long time. And also, I want to tell you this. On Saturday, I'm not saying that I'm pretty sure to win the fight, but you know, I'm happy that Mosley and I will train hard for this fight. And our first concern is how we can give a good fight to the people. And on Saturday, we do our best, and you know, we train hard for this fight. We do a lot of things in this training camp, and on Saturday there's a lot of action in the ring, and we make sure that, I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be a good fight and people will make happy. And of course, I'm happy that this fight will happen, because before this fight happened, we've been talking with Mosley. You know, what if someday we're gonna fight like that? And then, yeah, that's good. That's a good fight. And I'm so happy for this fight because no trash talk. You know, this is a good example to the boxing fans, to all the fighters. You know, the fight it will be happen without the trash talk. You know, it's good example to the children who idolizing the fighters, especially Mosley and I. And you know, this is in my life. This is my experience that the best promotion in my boxing career, this Mosley fight, because everybody is friends, and also people, you know, love to watch this fight. The ticket sold out, and thank you to all the fans. You really love us, especially Mosley. He's a good fighter also. Yes, because I had to fight some fighters, but it's not sold out. And now I'm fighting with Mosley. The ticket is sold out. Sometimes when we try.